Are you constantly interrupted in your meetings? Tired of repeating your availability schedule to your cohabitants? Always wanted to know what it feels like to be in a radio booth? Do you want to take advantage of that dusty Arduino in your drawer? Well, we might have the solution. OnAir helps you synchronize your calendar with a physical device which shows your current status in a customizable, inexpensive, and vintage-looking gadget. Pretty cool, right? OnAir syncs with your Google Calendar, the one you already use for all your meetings. You just have to connect it to your Wi-Fi, set up, and you'll have this nice display avoid uncomfortable situations.
¿Estás ocupado?
Estoy haciendo unos hacks. Dime.
Gerardo,